Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can book a hotel on booking.com. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open booking.com. Once you open booking.com, then you need to select the area. I am going to select my area and the dates. Once you select dates and area, then you need to click on search and it is finding a room near me, and then you need to select any room. I'm going to select this one, and here I need to select the best one for me and see your options. Click on see your options, and then you need to select any that you want. I am going to select this one, and then I need to click on reserve, and here I need to put my detail, and at the bottom I need to give the purpose of your trip. I'm going to click the business one, and it is request a business invoice. I click on that, and then I need to click on next step, and here is an option of book now. I simply need to click on that, book now. So you can see that it is sending a request and it is reserving a room for me in booking.com. So by following these steps, you can easily reserve a hotel room in booking.com. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.